Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Kevgotthejuicee, and I'm here with my brand new Subaru WRX. So I have not introduced it to the channel yet. I literally just bought it about 2 days ago. I got a lot of content I have to make on this car. I missed getting the Cobb tuner and etc., but I'm not gonna miss this. Today, we got the axle back exhaust. I'm at the shop right now after hours. So I'm about to get it on the lift, and we about to put this axle back on and install it. And we're gonna see how it sounds. Right now we got stock exhaust, so it's mad quiet. I got a clip in the beginning, so you guys heard it. So right now we're gonna get this axle back installed, and let's get to it. Just set up all my jack points. She's already getting up there. So now we just bring her up. Lit this pretty fast, thank God. All right. And she's up, and these are going in, and these are going out. Wish me luck, guys. Now it is time to start removing bolts. Let's get to it. All right, we got some PV blaster, sprayed it up, got those boots off, both sides. Just really gotta remove it off that top one, and then now we got these bolts left. Let's get to it. Bolt side on the inside, these on the out. There's a hidden hanger right up there that I got removed. Let's get it. Oh, we did it. Go. Big as shit too. No wonder why it's fucking quiet. Out with the old, in with the new. Let's go. Just to do a quick dummy test, make sure I don't got the wrong fucking piece. Literally lines up with all my boot locations. It looks like we're fucking good to go. It only uses the 2 instead of the 3 that was on prior. But we're good, guys. Let's fucking send it. Always gotta make sure you got your handy dandy gasket that goes in between. You don't want no leaks. Goodness. Oh my goodness gracious. This is beautiful. Look at that, y'all. Now we just gotta get our boots up and going. Get these bolts tightened up. Now I just gotta knock out the other side. You guys see the difference? Holy shit. That's a big difference. This is usually always the easiest way for me. It's probably gonna work for you guys as well. This boot, I put the bottom part on first, the part that's gonna mount, and then you put this part last. It's gonna make it 10 times. Just gotta tighten the bolts up, get all my boots on. That is way better, bro. Muffler number 2, y'all. Who needs mufflers? Let me know. Stop. What the fuck? This is crazy. There you go. Now we just gotta get our last piece on, man. This is already nice and tight. Look how freaking sturdy this is. It'll move the whole car. Fucking sturdy. Nice and tight. Got our gasket in there, so no leaks. And let's get back to it. All right, y'all. Got the boots all on. Good to go. Sturdy as fuck. Let's get scoot up a little bit more. We don't want the alignment to be too fucked up. Just right. And now we just tighten the bolts. We got our gasket in there, chilling. Let's get it tight and let's fucking hear it. We are officially done. Out with the old, in with the new. That looks fucking 10 times better. Woo. So now I'm gonna start the car, give you guys a sound test, let you guys hear it. I'm gonna keep it on the lift just in case if there's any exhaust leaks and I gotta make some adjustments. But for so far, let's go check it out, guys. There's absolutely 0 leaks. Like, you guys would hear it if there was some leaks. It is dead quiet. Dead silent. Let's go. You guys ready? Let's do this. this is gonna be the end of the video. I got fucking dirt on my face and shit. I gotta take a shower. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm loving how it sounds. I definitely want a little bit more loud. Make sure you guys tap in to when I do that. Probably gonna delete the resonator. See how I like that, but I heard NVIDIA is the way to go. So that's probably what I'm gonna do later on. I was able to pick that up for $100, so I'm gonna rock out with it for a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, if you like Subaru WRX content, because I know I do. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.